need to apologize, 'cause there's nothing to regret. Well, this is not what I wanted. Guess all the good things come to an end. So baby, bye-bye, wish you the best. And most of all, I wish that I could love you less. Well, maybe you're right, I'll find someone else. You say it isn't me, but when did that ever help? Hold me closer, although you leave before the sunrise. Might be bleeding, but don't you mind, I'll be fine. Oh, it kills me, I found the right one at the wrong time. But until the sunrise, hold tight, hold tight. Maybe it happened too fast. I guess that I understand. You say that you never felt this way for anyone, and that's why it scares you to death. So baby, bye-bye, though it's for the best. Still, I can see how that would ease the pain in my chest. Hold me closer, although you leave before the sunrise. I'll be bleeding, but don't you mind, I'll be fine. Oh, it kills me, I found the right one at the wrong time. But until the sunrise, could you just hold me tight? I know I have to let go, but just give me the night. 'Cause tomorrow will hurt.
No, I can't. I don't know how.
'Cause I'm